the Pluperfect Archangelic Acupuncturist, the Pluperfect Archangelic Addiction Medicine Physician, the Pluperfect Archangelic Adolescent Medicine Physician, the Pluperfect Archangelic Adult Reconstructive Orthopedic Surgeon, the Pluperfect Archangelic Aerospace Medicine Specialist, the Pluperfect Archangelic Alternative Medicine Physician, the Pluperfect Archangelic Anesthesiologist, the Pluperfect Archangelic Asthma and Allergy Specialist, the Pluperfect Archangelic Cardiologist, the Pluperfect Archangelic Bariatric Surgeon, Bariatrician, the Pluperfect Archangelic Behavioral Health and Social Services Specialist, the Pluperfect Archangelic Cardiologist, the Pluperfect Archangelic Cardiothoracic Surgeon, the Pluperfect Archangelic Cardiovascular Surgeon, the Pluperfect Archangelic Child and Adolescent Psychiatrist, the Pluperfect Archangelic Child and Adolescent Psychologist, the Pluperfect Archangelic Child, Teen, and Young Adult Addiction Treatment, the Pluperfect Archangelic Chiropractor, the Pluperfect Archangelic Clinical Informatician, the Pluperfect Archangelic Clinical Neurophysiologist, the Pluperfect Archangelic Clinical Pharmacologist, the Pluperfect Archangelic Clinical Social Worker, the Pluperfect Archangelic Colorectal Surgeon, the Pluperfect Archangelic Critical Care Physician, the Pluperfect Archangelic Cytopathologist, the Pluperfect Archangelic Dental Hygienist, the Pluperfect Archangelic Dentist, the Pluperfect Archangelic Dermatologic Surgeon, the Pluperfect Archangelic Dermatologist, the Pluperfect Archangelic Dermatopathologist, the Pluperfect Archangelic Developmental Behavioral Pediatrician, the Pluperfect Archangelic Diabetic Foot Surgery Physician, the Pluperfect Archangelic Diagnostic Radiologist, the Pluperfect Archangelic Emergency Medicine Physician, the Pluperfect Archangelic Endocrine Surgeon, the Pluperfect Archangelic Endocrinologist, the Pluperfect Archangelic Endodontist, the Pluperfect Archangelic Epileptologist, the Pluperfect Archangelic Family Physician, the Pluperfect Archangelic Foot and Ankle Orthopedic Surgeon, the Pluperfect Archangelic Forensic Pathologist, the Pluperfect Archangelic Forensic Psychiatrist, the Pluperfect Archangelic Gastroenterologist, the Pluperfect Archangelic General Surgeon, the Pluperfect Archangelic Geriatric Psychiatrist, the Pluperfect Archangelic Geriatrician, the Pluperfect Archangelic Gynecologic Oncologist, the Pluperfect Archangelic Hand Surgeon, the Pluperfect Archangelic Headache Medicine Specialist, the Pluperfect Archangelic Hematologist, the Pluperfect Archangelic Hepatologist, the Pluperfect Archangelic Hip and Knee Orthopedic Surgeon, the Pluperfect Archangelic Hospice and Palliative Medicine Specialist, the Pluperfect Archangelic Hospital Medicine Specialist, the Pluperfect Archangelic Immunologist, the Pluperfect Archangelic Infectious Disease Specialist, the Pluperfect Archangelic Integrative Medicine Specialist, the Pluperfect Archangelic Internist, the Pluperfect Archangelic Interventional Cardiologist, the Pluperfect Archangelic Interventional Pain Management Specialist, the Pluperfect Archangelic Interventional Spine Medicine Specialist, the Pluperfect Archangelic Massage Therapist, the Pluperfect Archangelic Maternal and Fetal Medicine Specialist, the Pluperfect Archangelic Medical Geneticist, the Pluperfect Archangelic Medical Toxicologist, the Pluperfect Archangelic Mental Health Counselor, the Pluperfect Archangelic Midwife, the Pluperfect Archangelic Naturopathic Doctor, the Pluperfect Archangelic Neonatologist, the Pluperfect Archangelic Nephrologist, the Pluperfect Archangelic Neurologist, the Pluperfect Archangelic Neuromuscular Physician, the Pluperfect Archangelic Neuropathologist, the Pluperfect Archangelic Neurophysiologist, the Pluperfect Archangelic Neuropsychologist, the Pluperfect Archangelic Neuroradiologist, the Pluperfect Archangelic Neurosurgeon, the Pluperfect Archangelic Nuclear Medicine Physician, the Pluperfect Archangelic Nurse Practitioner, the Pluperfect Archangelic Nutritionist, the Pluperfect Archangelic Obstetrician Gynecologist, the Pluperfect Archangelic Occupational Medicine Physician, the Pluperfect Archangelic Occupational Therapist, the Pluperfect Archangelic Oculoplastic Surgeon, the Pluperfect Archangelic Oncologist, the Pluperfect Archangelic Ophthalmologist, the Pluperfect Archangelic Optometrist, the Pluperfect Archangelic Oral and Maxillofacial Surgeon, the Pluperfect Archangelic Orthodontist, the Pluperfect Archangelic Orthopedic Surgeon, the Pluperfect Archangelic Orthopedic Trauma Surgeon, the Pluperfect Archangelic Orthotic Specialist, the Pluperfect Archangelic Osteopathic Physician, the Pluperfect Archangelic Otolaryngologist, the Pluperfect Archangelic Otology and Neurotology Specialist, the Pluperfect Archangelic Pain Medicine Specialist, the Pluperfect Archangelic Pathologist, the Pluperfect Archangelic Pediatric Cardiologist, the Pluperfect Archangelic Pediatric Dentist, the Pluperfect Archangelic Pediatric Dermatologist, the Pluperfect Archangelic Pediatric Ear, Nose, and Throat Specialist, the Pluperfect Archangelic Pediatric Endocrinologist, the Pluperfect Archangelic Pediatric Gastroenterologist, the Pluperfect Archangelic Pediatric Hematologist Oncologist, the Pluperfect Archangelic Pediatric Intensivist, the Pluperfect Archangelic Pediatric Neurologist, the Pluperfect Archangelic Pediatric Orthopedic Surgeon, the Pluperfect Archangelic Pediatric Pathologist, the Pluperfect Archangelic Pediatric Pulmonologist, the Pluperfect Archangelic Pediatric Radiologist, the Pluperfect Archangelic Pediatric Rheumatologist, the Pluperfect Archangelic Pediatric Sports Medicine Specialist, the Pluperfect Archangelic Pediatric Surgeon, the Pluperfect Archangelic Pediatrician, the Pluperfect Archangelic Periodontist, the Pluperfect Archangelic Phlebologist, the Pluperfect Archangelic Physical Medicine and Rehabilitation Doctor, the Pluperfect Archangelic Physical Therapist, the Pluperfect Archangelic Plastic Surgeon, the Pluperfect Archangelic Plastic Surgery Hand Surgeon, the Pluperfect Archangelic Podiatrist, the Pluperfect Archangelic Preventive Medicine Physician, the Pluperfect Archangelic Primary Care Physician, the Pluperfect Archangelic Prosthodontist, the Pluperfect Archangelic Psychiatrist, the Pluperfect Archangelic Psychoanalyst, the Pluperfect Archangelic Psychologist, the Pluperfect Archangelic Public Psychiatry Physician, the Pluperfect Archangelic Pulmonary Critical Care Specialist, the Pluperfect Archangelic Pulmonologist, the Pluperfect Archangelic Radiation Oncologist, the Pluperfect Archangelic Regenerative Medicine Physician, the Pluperfect Archangelic Registered Dietitian, the Pluperfect Archangelic Reproductive Endocrinologist and Infertility Specialist, the Pluperfect Archangelic Rheumatologist, the Pluperfect Archangelic Rhinologist, the Pluperfect Archangelic Sleep Specialist, the Pluperfect Archangelic Spinal Orthopedic Surgeon, the Pluperfect Archangelic Spine Surgeon, the Pluperfect Archangelic Sports Medicine Physician, the Pluperfect Archangelic Surgical Oncologist, the Pluperfect Archangelic Transplant Surgeon, the Pluperfect Archangelic Trauma Surgeon, the Pluperfect Archangelic Urogynecologist, the Pluperfect Archangelic Urologist, the Pluperfect Archangelic Vascular Interventional Radiologist, the Pluperfect Archangelic Vascular Neurologist, the Pluperfect Archangelic Vascular Surgeon,